What's up everyone? Today I'm going to start a small little project that originally started by accident with the Camaro when I plasti dipped the Forged Star wheels that were black. I plasti dipped them silver. They're kind of dirty right now, but they're race wheels so I don't really care. But I'm going to try and put white lettering on the tire using plasti dip. Happened by accident when I painted this wheel first. Obviously they say that the plasti dip just peels right off when you're doing tires, and it does for the most part. But with the Bridgestone I noticed the letters have some striping in them basically, which allows the plasti dip to go in there, and it kind of stuck in there and it's pretty much been in there the whole time. Mainly on this tire, because after I did that I masked all the wheels off and plasti dipped them with masking tape on them. But I'm going to attempt right now to get the Potenza and the Bridgestone on all four tires using white plasti dip. So we'll see how that goes. So when I bought the kit to plasti dip my wheels silver, I got it from dipyourcar.com, and they included dip release, which you put on your tire. It works great for peeling it off, so I'm going to use that after I get done masking off the area. Now one thing I have to be careful of is, since these are essentially autocross tires, I don't want to get any dip release on the edge here, and as you can see, this is the front, they roll over quite a bit. So I don't want to get any dip release on there, because dip release is slick and that'll generally hurt the performance of the tire. And we do have a double header this weekend. That'll be in Milwaukee both days of this weekend, Saturday and Sunday autocrossing. So I want to keep that edge nice and dry basically. Now as you can see, we got the tire all taped up, masked off for the area. I'm going to use a paper bag here to keep the plasti dip overspray off the ground, and then I will also use this paper bag to kind of shield it while I'm spraying off the parts of the car, just because even though it is plasti dip, I want to keep the overspray to a minimum. It should be noted that I did wash and clean the car before this, so everything, there's no brake or less brake dust in the tire. And now I'm going to use a paper towel and the dip release to wipe in this area, and we'll see how that goes. So I did about 4 coats of plasti dip. I already peeled one off one tire, and basically I'll show you what's happening. So looks good, but it's all coming right off. So I think the lesson here is, when I originally plasti dipped the wheels, I didn't put enough dip release in the tire. But so far that's happened on every wheel I've done. So maybe I'll do it, try it again later, and maybe put a little less dip release in the tire so that it sticks in the lettering there. But that's kind of what's happening, as you can see. So that's what's coming off. Pretty much a perfect Potenza in plasti dip. So the project did not work out. Pretty much every single tire, the plasti dip comes right off, which isn't a big deal, because that's essentially what it's designed to do with the dip release. But as you can see on the one tire I did, the silver is still in there. So the trick is, if you're going to plasti dip wheels, I think that you need to put plenty of overspray on the tire so that it all peels off. Every time I see someone plasti dip tires or wheels, they're always doing them black. So when you wouldn't see that on the tire you're doing. But since I changed black wheels to silver, and a very dirty silver, that's what happened. So maybe I'll try it again with a little less release, but sometimes that's where these things go. So I will see you all next time.